What's up, traders? Happy all-time highs to you all. Happy all-time highs to each and every one of you. We have waited a long, excruciating 3 years before we could hear these words. And now you have made it. Let's give yourself a pat on the back. We have fought through the fear, the uncertainty, the uncontrollable doubt that has plagued us for the last 3 years, chat. Welcome to all-time highs. You've made it, chat. Today is the day. You should be proud. You should feel honored because you made it, chat. Let's give yourself a pat on the back for that. Also, while you're patting yourself on the back, chat, let's also take the time to witness another historic moment that has happened in Bitcoin's brief existence. Yes, today marks the highest level that traders have ever settled up on the monthly time frame. Yes, traders, you heard that correctly. Traders have settled up on this previous monthly candle close at their highest level ever on the monthly, and it all started with the breakout of this symmetrical triangle that happened back in July. It all started here, chat, and now welcome to all-time highs. So, now we've reached all-time highs. The big question on everybody's mind is, where is Bitcoin going next? So, I have this breakout charted on the monthly time frame, chat, and it is telling me that Bitcoin could be reaching $60,000 in the coming future, chat. What I've done, I've measured this move, chat, and this is the way that you measure moves across any asset class, traders. This is how you would measure the move, and with the measured move on Bitcoin, it is putting us at a $68,000 Bitcoin. I'm gonna get a little conservative, chat. I'm gonna say $60,000 Bitcoin, chat. That's what we could be looking at. Now keep in mind, nothing happens overnight, chat. There will be pullbacks along the way, but you can set a target here at $68,000, chat. Let's see if we make it. I mean, once we break above all-time highs and confirm it as support, we will be technically in outer space. We will be in what's known as price discovery mode, chat. So let's see what happens. But you have to keep in mind, right? What type of trader would I be if I just looked at price action in one direction? We also have to look at the possibility of us getting a pullback here, chat. We've talked about it before, right? So let's take a look at Bitcoin, chat. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I talked about the bearish butterfly, right? That has completed, and it's a bearish cipher pattern that could be playing out. Talked about that, chat. And I also want to point out that we have completely 100% retraced, right, this move all the way up back to test the original fib anchor point, chat. 100% retrace has been complete, right? So this move could be completed, but you never know. We'll see. Bulls could keep pushing this thing up, but I just want you to keep that in mind. And also, I want you to take note, right, at the bearish divergence that is showing, right, that is presenting itself on the monthly time frame, chat. And we all know the longer time frames isn't anything to play with. Just have to point that out, chat. Like I said, what type of trader would I be if I just sit here and just talked about Bitcoin going to the moon without the talk of the possible pullback? So there you have your bearish divergence, right? That is presenting itself on the monthly time frame. Let's see if this plays out, chat. So you have this. I think that we all can see it, right? So you have, when you're looking at the chart, you have a double top formation, right? You have a double top formation here, right? With this high to this high. You have that double top playing out, chat, on the monthly time frame, right? And you also have at the same point, right? You have the RSI, the oscillator, right? The momentum indicator for short, exhibiting a lower top than this previous one, chat. So that is signaling that this move to the upside could be weakening, chat. So I had to point that out. You know, on this other chart, I got marked out a target at $68,000, but we also have bearish divergence. I just want you to know, nothing goes straight up, chat, right? Nothing goes straight up in the air. It all takes time to manifest, but that's a target, and those are also some bearish sentiment that could be playing out on Bitcoin, chat. I just had to point that out, and I just wanted to come out and say, happy all-time highs, chat. Let's enjoy this moment. Let's plan for our next move, whether it's just to hodl this thing until we become grandparents or whether we're planning a trade, chat. Let's just take the time out to plan our next move. Let's also keep in mind that those who fail to plan, those who fail to plan to fail, chat. I had to get that out. So, with that being said, chat, this is the end of this video. I just wanted to congratulate you all that are still here, that survived the bear market, right, of 2018, and that is still here, right, that is held on this long. Congratulations, chat. I hope you are satisfied with your decision at this point, and I look forward for you all to keep making incredible gains along the way. Thank you, chat. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the continued support. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a great one.